Today, we're talking about Penciclovir 1% Topical Cream Antivirals. This medication is used to treat cold sores, also known as fever blisters, caused by herpes labialis. It can help speed up the healing process of the sores and reduce symptoms like tingling, pain, burning, and itching. Penciclovir is an antiviral medication that works by stopping the growth of the virus. It's important to note that this medication does not cure herpes, nor does it prevent passing the infection to someone else. It also does not prevent future occurrences. The recommended daily dosage and optimal timing for using this medication may vary, so it's important to consult with your healthcare provider for the best advice. When you feel the first signs of a cold sore, like tingling, burning, redness, or sores, it's important to wash your hands with soap and water before and after applying the Penciclovir cream. Make sure to clean and dry the affected area before gently applying a thin layer of the cream to cover the entire cold sore or the area that feels tingly, itchy, red, or swollen. Your doctor will usually recommend applying the cream every 2 hours, except during sleep, for 4 days. Remember to only apply the cream to the skin and avoid getting it in or near your eyes, as it can cause irritation. If it does get in your eyes, make sure to flush them with plenty of water. Do not apply inside the mouth or nose. The dosage of the medication will depend on your medical condition and how your body responds to the treatment. It's important to use the medication regularly to get the most benefit from it, and to help you remember, use it at the same times each day. It's also important to note that Penciclovir cream does not prevent the spread of herpes, so it's best to avoid close physical contact with others, such as kissing, until the cold sores have completely healed. Try not to touch the cold sore, and wash your hands if you do. If your condition lasts or gets worse after the treatment is finished, make sure to inform your doctor. If you experience redness, burning, stinging, or numbness, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know. However, many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. A very serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare. If you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical help right away. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice any other effects, it's best to contact your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. If you're in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088, and in Canada, you can report them to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using Penciclovir, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you have any allergies to Penciclovir or Penciclovir. This cream may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other issues, so it's important to discuss this with your pharmacist. Additionally, it's important to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history before using this medication. If you are pregnant, it's essential to let your doctor know before using this medication. However, this medication does not pass into breast milk, so it is generally safe to use while breastfeeding, but it's always best to consult with your doctor before doing so. When using Penciclovir 1% Topical Cream Antivirals, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will help ensure that you are using Penciclovir 1% Topical Cream Antiviral safely and effectively. If this medication is ingested, it can be dangerous. If someone has taken too much and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical attention by calling 911 or contacting a poison control center. In the US, residents can reach their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canada residents can contact a provincial poison control center. Do not give this medication to anyone else. Sharing it may spread the infection. Cold sores can be caused by various factors, including stress, hormonal changes, injury or surgery in the mouth, fatigue, sunlight, cold weather, and illness. If you forget to apply a dose of the Penciclovir 1% topical cream, apply it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and continue with your regular schedule. Don't apply double the amount to make up for the missed dose. Make sure to store this medication at room temperature and securely close the cap on the tube after each use. Keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. Do not dispose of this medication by flushing it down the toilet or pouring it into a drain unless directed to do so. Properly discard this product and it is expired or no longer needed. If you have any questions about how to dispose of the medication, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.